Hi. So I just had something pretty special happen. My friend Raiden Leigh Knight contacted me, and he's like, "Hey, I'm coming in to pay my rent up at the head of your street." He pays his rent up at the top of the street at the Sedona Rentals, and he goes, "I've got something for the kitties." And I had been dealing with Sammy. Sammy's not been eating his food, and I get right now he's having to have Rachel Ray because I can't afford to get anything better right now for them, and I know it's not what I want them to have. But that's all that I can. I've just got too many animals to take care of right now to give them higher end food, which is something is going to be changing soon in regards to that. Finances are getting better, right, Spirit? And anyway, he comes and Sammy, he sat in front of me and he threw up a hairball. So the hairball's fine, but he didn't eat his dinner, and he's like been sitting in front of the dish and just looking at it. And he says, "I feel like one of your cats isn't feeling well." And he goes, so I opened it up and it's a bag of sardines in water. And I said, "I don't know that my cats will eat sardines." And he goes, "Really?" Because I tried to get my cats to eat sardines before and they wouldn't eat them. So I opened it up and I put it in front of Sam and he wolfed it down. I'm just like, "Oh my God." And he goes, "I knew that there was one." And he says, "And I had my best friend, she's in spirit now. Her name is, oh gosh, am I going to remember? Terry Brown of Sedona." He goes, and I don't know names of people. I don't know names of groups. www.spirit.com. He says, "Look her up, you'll find out. She's a channel." But anyway, she was his best friend, and he said she had this necklace, and she came to me last night, and she said to give it to you, because you're the cat lady, and it's sterling silver. It's an antique. I want you to see it in the sun. It's gonna hurt my eyes, but. It's all these different cats. I didn't count. I need to count how many there are. And the one at the bottom feels special to me. He's wearing a little black bow. Feel like he's my bow, my guy. And that's me. But he says I took it in to have it weighed. And he says it's 26 grams is what it weighs. So I immediately went to my angel number book to read what 26 means. It's 2626 is what it weighed. So double this emphasis is double on this spiritual number for me, for 26. And he gave it to me because it's my birthday, April 9th, but he says early birthday present, and also because I was guided to give it to you. It was hers, and she said to give it to you. Positive affirmations help your situation improve quickly. The angels urge you to only think and speak about your desires and not to affirm your fears, as they are just an illusion. I'm always about positive affirmations. I tell all of my clients that all the time. And I speak positive affirmations myself all the time. So anytime that I start to worry, I've got to remember 2626, right? And I'm going to trade him. I'm an Angelic Reiki master, so he said I could use some Reiki. And I said, "No problem, we'll trade." So this is my early birthday present. It's all cats. Let's count how many cats. Hold on. Look at our weather we have, you guys. Gotta be careful with this. It tangles easily. Oh my, let's not get tangled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11. That's a divine gateway. I actually have this one, this charm. Oh, I love it. 11. So I'll read for you. Hold on, let me put it back on carefully. And it's interesting because I only wear silver. I don't like gold. It's very delicate. Put it back on. So I went around the house and to the catios, and I gave them all some sardines, and they all made me a liar, because they all loved it. Stinkies. So thank you, Raiden, for that, because that's really, and I've got he probably gave me, I don't know how many cans that are, probably 11 cans. So the number 11, stay positive. Your thoughts are materializing rapidly, so you want to ensure positive outcomes by focusing only on the good within yourself, others, and this situation. Stay positive. It's a divine gateway. Spirit has opened a divine gateway. And let's go back to 26, just to wrap this up. I'm a little tired right now. So he's like, I want you in top form when you do your session for me. I'm like, yeah, it won't be today because I'm exhausted. Positive affirmations help your situation improve quickly. The angels urge you to only think and speak about your desires and not to affirm your fears, as they are just an illusion. So it's double emphasis on, we're getting a beam of light coming at us. Ooh, there it is. We're to focus on the positive, and I am. So this is pretty epic. I'm pretty excited. It's beautiful. I laugh because I am definitely a cat lady. 11 cats. I actually have 12 of my own and 2 outside. But 11, the Divine Gateway, I like that a lot. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Terry Brown. She's a blonde, apparently. I wonder who of my friend group knows her. She was in this town, Terry Brown. She was a channel. I'd like to hear about her because, and I would like to see a picture of her. He couldn't find one, and I couldn't find one because I want to see when she shows up in my dreams. She's a platinum blonde, apparently. So, thank you.